Do you need to find the VIN number or some of the other relevant information on your Geely EX5? Then check out this video to find out more. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video, and welcome to another video on the lovely Geely EX5. Now in this video I'm going to be pointing out the relevant information labels that show you things like the VIN number. So the VIN number is really important because it's a unique identifier for the car and it's replicated at a few locations around the car. Now this is often asked for by dealerships, or if you ever need to get parts or anything they like, they'll often ask you for your VIN number. But I'll also be pointing out some other information like your refrigerant and also your tyre information, which we'll start with straight away. So for the tyre information, just open up the passenger door fully. And we're just going to look down in the door jamb here, and you'll actually see this label there. So that is our tyre information. Now there is two sizes there, so make sure you check that. Next we're going to come round to the driver's side of the vehicle, but we're staying outside, and I'm just showing you right here, you've actually got your VIN number through the windscreen there. So that's the first place we can actually see the VIN number. Now the next one is normally the compliance sticker, but as this is a pre-release model, it actually hasn't been put on yet, but I'll show you where I've been told it's actually going to be positioned. So it should be positioned just down here in the driver's door jamb, stuck to there. And on there I'd expect to find the paint code, the VIN number again, and also some other compliance information like a build date. For this one it does have a Geely label there, and again it repeats that VIN number. And there is a more important one which is actually found underneath the driver's seat, and this is where it's actually stamped into the chassis of the car. Next we're going to go underneath the bonnet, and to do that we're just going to come around to the front of the car, put your hand in just above the Geely badge and push that lever there to the left. Then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With that safe and secure, we can just have a look down here on this plastic cover plate, and that actually says your refrigerant type and weights. And then below, this is actually your motor number, and this is replicated just down on the right hand side on that label just there. So there we go, nice quick simple video for you today. I thought it might be helpful. If it was, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.